Hey everyone, let's dive into the 10 habits that rich people follow. Habits that honestly, we could all learn a lot from. They read every day. Wealthy people dedicate time daily to reading, not just for fun, but for growth. They dive into books on business, self-development, and investing, knowing every page holds a powerful idea. They plan their day in advance. Before the day even starts, they've already mapped it out. Their tasks, meetings, and goals are all scheduled. Yeah, there's really no room for randomness. They live below their means. Even millionaires watch their spending. They don't blow money to show off. They invest the difference and over time, build real wealth. They invest early. They don't wait to have, enough money. They just start small, start early, and let compound interest work its magic. They take care of their health, daily workouts, clean eating, proper sleep. They treat their body like a high-performance machine because they know, honestly, that success starts with energy and clarity. They choose their circle wisely. They surround themselves with ambitious, positive, and smart people. People who push them forward, not hold them back. They have multiple income streams. They never rely on just one source of income. Investments, businesses, side hustles. So if one fails, others keep flowing. They learn from failure. Failure isn't defeat, it's data. They analyze what went wrong, adapt, and bounce back even stronger. They value time over everything. They don't waste time. They delegate what they can and focus on what really moves the needle: strategy, leadership, and growth. They think long-term. They're not just chasing quick wins. Every move they make fits into a vision 5 or 10 years down the road.